In this video, I show you how to fix this app version is deprecated. Please update your app in Instagram problem. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for Instagram, tap on Instagram, update your Instagram app. Now go to Settings, then go to Apps, then go to See All Apps. Now search for Instagram app, tap on Instagram, tap on Force Stop, tap on OK, tap on Storage and Cache, clear storage, delete. Now open Instagram app. Now I hope that this method fix this app version is deprecated. Please update your app in Instagram problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thomas Craig.